Welcome back to Bellevue Eats. I'm your guide, Chef Shota Nakajima, and today we're going to go on a pan-gastronomic Indian food tour to Farzi Café. Farzi stands for creating an illusion, so let's go behind the scenes and see where our taste buds take us. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful.
Hello.
Shota.
Adam, good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm going to show you some of the stuff that we do here, focusing on little science. So I'm going to clarify some cocktails. I have a medical device that is centrifuge. So this is a fun little cocktail we do. This is, I'm sous videing some whiskey with lamb fat right here. And this is what we make a Black Manhattan out of, and it's called the Black Lamb. It's one of our top sellers here. So it's a fun little drink, and you can't get anything like it anywhere.
Oh, I like that. It comes at the end.
Mm-hmm.
It's so nice.
Yeah, yeah.
It probably pairs really well with the food here. Spice heavy.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we have a lamb shank on the menu, and you drink one of these with your lamb shank. Yeah, it's a lamb party.
Yeah, lamb party.
Lamb
Love
party.
It. Hey, Chef. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you, Chef?
Wonderful. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Chef. Welcome to Farzi Café.
Thank you. Thank you. I've heard a lot about this place, and I'm excited to check it out.
Thank you so much. So Farzi Café is all about the unreal food. I mean, it means creating an illusion with the food. So we're doing a lot of good stuff in here with the molecular gastronomy stuff. Follow me. I'll show you how the kitchen happens.
Thank you for bringing me back to your kitchen. What do we have here? Look at this.
Thank you so much. I mean, this is one of the most popular section right here. One of my favorite as well. So this is our Tandoor section. This is made of the clay oven. It has a very high heat. It runs up to 450 degrees centigrade. So we have the skewer here. We have the lamb steak mixture. So this is a ground lamb mince. I'm gonna put it on the skewer. I'll put it right in the oven then. So it's a lamb mince along with the fat. So we generally take a ratio of around 70% of the lamb mince and 25% of the lamb kidney fat because it gives the moistness and the juiciness as well. All right, Chef, look at that.
Look at that. That beautiful char on that outside.
All right, so we have some mint chutney here. This one is made of some mint, some coriander, garlic, spices, some raw mango. So just gonna place it on the bottom part.
Did you say raw mango as well?
Yes, this will give some tanginess to it. That's a top secret, I'm telling you. Not many people put raw mango. In goes our lamb seek kebab.
Because when I've heard when curry's too spicy, a lot of Indian kids put yogurt inside, right?
Yeah, just to balance it out.
Just to balance it out. So it's kind of that idea, but you elevated it in your own way.
Exactly.
I love that.
And then to give the crunch, I have one element. This one is potato and beetroot crisps.
Nice.
So I'm just gonna put it on top. This will give some good crunch and the flavors.
I love it. So every single bite, every single element on this dish is a flavor bomb, and you just put it all together.
And then finally, just to beautify our dish, we have some fresh microgreens on top.
You know, when you hear Indian food, you don't really picture this, especially growing up in Bellevue, but it's incredible to see the different Indian cuisines that are being brought in from chefs like yourself.
Thank you so much. So it's more of an elevated dining experience, you can say.
I love it.
It's a refined way of presenting Indian cuisine.
Beautiful way to introduce cultures. Look at this. I've never seen Indian food as fancy as this in Washington State. This is like, it looks simple, but there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements.
In there. So it's a bang of flavors all together when you have it.
I don't think most people would look at this dish and understand how much work goes into this. Beautiful. I can't wait. What's next?
Yeah, so then we have another dish, which is one of my favorite as well. This one is avocado tikka. So what we have done here is we've taken all the Spanish Mexican elements and fused it here.
Oh man, that char really gives it depth.
And this will complete it all when you have it with the roasted corn hummus.
All right, I got another one of our fun cocktails for you. Thought I'd let you try. This is called the Forest Fire. It is a whiskey-based drink with the flavors of pear and pine. Has a little citrus in there, and it's served in a tree stump for you.
Oh, look at
that. A literal forest fire.
From the food to the drinks, the innovation that this place has here is unbelievable.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Kampai. Thanks for joining me at Farzi Café in Bellevue. I love getting to meet the chefs and the incredible food the city has to offer. There's so much more to explore in the city, and I'm already looking forward to what's next. Catch me next time on Bellevue Eats.